for these niggas tryna charge me. Big fucker, yes, go pull out with a tree. I be smoking on the gas, smoking on that.
Okay, boys, so today we're gonna be playing Cluster Truck. Kind of an irrelevant game, you know, but it's a
That's a good comment.
just hanging out with you guys. It's a more commentating video, but you can still watch it. So you guys should be looking out. There's three videos coming out today. One is Fortnite. One is gonna be this, obviously, and the next one I haven't decided yet. It might be.
Yo, Modern Warfare. You could do Modern Warfare.
It's not downloaded yet. It said it's gonna take like.
It's gonna take a long ass time.
It was like 80 megabytes or gigabytes. That's good.
For me, it's 140 gigabytes in the Xbox and Red Dead.
But yeah, but that's not including Warzone.
Oh, it's not including.
I didn't download Warzone because I've played it before and I didn't really like it. Because yeah, Warzone is like another 60 or something.
Yeah, dude, you got GTA, don't you?
Yeah, I got GTA. But, you know. Oh yeah, I might do a GTA video. I might do. Should I do Call of Duty Zombies or should I do GTA?
Yo, you know we can play Rambo together, right?
I don't have Rambo. I didn't download it.
Ah. Hold up. Look at all the games I have. Yeah, dude, but all those you should. Yeah, I think you should like all the games you got.
Yeah. But the thing is, I don't have enough storage on my PC to actually download literally all of them, you know?
Yeah. Well, that's why I only got a few on my Xbox.
Yeah, like once I'm done with one, I gotta delete it.
Yeah, I have Anthem. You know, Anthem, and it's an okay game.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway.
Oh yeah.
I can afford my first ability. Okay, let's see. Movement. What is this? Double jump. Bet. Air dash. Quick air dash that perfects. Okay, guys. So I'm on like a few level 2 something because grapple hook, boost the truck below the player.
Wait, yo, Brandon, I have a question. Is that game co-op? I played Cluster Truck before, but is it like co-op?
I don't think so. But I think they, if you have Rocket League, that game can be, that we can play Rocket League together. Wait, do you have, Rocket League is crossplay too.
Hold up. Oh yeah, I have Destiny 2. That's a good game you should play. Me and
Bro,
Dylan play it
what? Dude, Destiny 1 is so much better.
No, it's not. It's actually worse.
Worser?
It works. Shut up. No, I mean.
I do know what you mean.
Hold up. Yeah, I'm just saying, Destiny 2 is a fun game, bro.
I know, but it's not as good as Destiny 1.
No, it's not. Yes, it is. I mean, yes, it is. It's better than it, actually. No, I've got me a Dragon Ball Z game, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Bro, wait, do you have Titanfall 2? What about Team Fortress 2?
Team Fortress? No, you can't. I don't think you can get that on. Oh yeah, you can get I can get tabs for you.
I already have it.
You already got it on.
I already got it on Steam, dude.
Oh. Okay.
I already had it.
Yeah, dude. It was.
I can download any of those Game Pass because I got Game Pass for myself, so I can download all of those for myself.
Shit.
I spent $1.90 for Game Pass, so. Anyway.
Bro, you should get Devil May Cry.
Wait, we can play Gears of War together. Am I mistaken?
Yeah, you could. Yeah, we could.
It's not. It's more fun.
Oh yeah, you could try Monster Hunter World though. Like I told you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I might. Yeah. What's that one space game called? I forgot.
Astroneer.
Not Astroneer.
Oh, No Man's Sky.
No Man's Sky. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that game is fucking lit, dude. It's crazy. You can go like anywhere. Like you can just go to.
Can't go back to Earth. Can't go to Earth, I don't think.
Well, yeah.
I think it's
to
blown to shit. Oh, you know Worms? You can play that.
Okay.
I can get Rocket League, but I'm not rocking with you here. I thought you played Red Dead with you.
Bro, I don't. I've played Red Dead Online. It's not. It's not as fun as the story mode, dude. The story mode is sad. Like the whole tuberculosis thing.
And it's not that bad.
No, it's. I said it's sad.
It's not sad at all. I mean,
bro,
yeah,
like it's just like a sad thing that happened in our history, you know. Like tuberculosis is one of the most. Apparently, from what I've heard, TB. Literally, a third of the world have it.
A third of the, like right now?
Yeah, like a third of the world have it. Whether it's active or inactive. But it can be. But at least a third of the world has it, and most of those people are in Africa.
Shit, glad I'm not. Glad I didn't say in Africa. Yo, I'm telling you, bro.
Is that racially motivated?
No, that's not racially motivated. I'm just class. Yo, to be honest, most of the black people that live in America would probably, if like slavery would never exist, would probably be living in Africa.
Probably. I don't know. I mean, yeah, maybe not because I mean, maybe there would be more of them in Africa, but I do think there would still be a lot here because of like immigration and all the like possibilities.
Yeah, probably a lot, but I think you know most Africans went to South America for the slave trade, right?
Bro, what'd you say?
Most Africans went to South America. That's why there are so many black people in Brazil. And they speak Portuguese. I was just changed.
You know, a lot of it. You know, like not 30%, like 12% of all Caucasians come from South Africa.
Yeah.
It's because not the Spaniards, but
Dutch.
Dutch, yeah, took it over.
Afrikaners. Yeah, I'm telling you. Top Monster Hunter World. That game's actually fun.
What's crazy is it's still technically part of the Dutchland Kingdom, even though they separated. But legally, it's still part of the Dutchland Kingdom.
How?
Legally, they separated, and nationally, they separated. But apparently, it's still technically part of the Dutchland Kingdom for some reason.
Well, yo, Brendan, did you pay for it or did you pay for the
Did I pay for what?
Ultimate Game Pass.
Yeah, I did. I bought the Ultimate one. Because it has a lot more games and it works with like Xbox Live and stuff. Dude, oh my god. Dude, this one's hard. Stop being... Oh my god.
Yeah, so you figured out how to do it, didn't you? Like, you
figured out how to...
Yeah, okay.
I did.
Yeah,
I had to download a few like Xbox apps so I could and sign into them so I could do it. But yeah.
Yeah, but
bro, it's so nice I can do console only party chat though, so I can just.
It'd be easy, yeah. No, but on Apex Legends right now.
Bro, Apex, it's okay, you know. I don't. Hold on. I could do an Apex video. Why not? Do they have Apex solos yet?
Oh. It was out, but it's gone now.
Wait, why?
There's duos and trios. If you want duos.
But there's no crossplay.
Yeah, I mean, I literally can invite you right now, even if you don't have you can't join. But look.
Okay. Well, this is probably where I'm gonna end the video. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good day. Much love.